Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about emergency contacts and how to set them up on your iPhone. Hi, I'm Kate Huffnagel, the Digital Wrangler. After spending 25 years in high-tech fields like software development and information technology solutions, I decided to put all my technical know-how to use, and today I help people organize their devices, not to mention help them organize their affairs. Today, we're going to be talking about how to set up an emergency contact on your iPhone. This is super easy to do, and yet in working with clients one-on-one, oftentimes I'm a little surprised that they aren't aware of this. So I thought I would put together this short video so that you can set up your emergency contacts with ease. The easiest way to set up an emergency contact is actually through your Contacts app. So why don't you get your iPhone and let's walk through together on how to do this. I'm going to go into my contacts. I'm going to search here for my muchacho. Once I find his contact card, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. You'll see I'm kind of disguising his phone numbers and his emails, not to mention our address. If you scroll towards the bottom of that contact card, you'll see an option that says Add to Emergency Contacts. So go ahead and click that. If you have more than one phone number inputted for a specific individual, Apple is going to then prompt you, which phone number do you want to make an emergency contact? In this case, for my muchacho, I'm going to select his mobile number. Once I do that, Apple is going to prompt me and say, what's your relationship to this person? So obviously for my muchacho, I am selecting spouse, but you can select a parent, a sibling, friend, any of the options that work for you. And I think Apple has a fairly inclusive list. Once I select spouse, my medical ID actually opens up. I basically need to select done. And with that, I have set up an emergency contact. And one way to verify that this has actually taken place is once I select done and I go back into my contacts app and I search for my muchacho, you'll see that I have the red medical designation next to his name. Pretty easy, huh? So congratulations, you have now set up an emergency point of contact on your phone. One of the benefits of Apple's emergency contact feature is that you can designate multiple. So I actually have about a handful of emergency contacts programmed into my phone. And if you want to learn more about how helpful this feature is, more specifically like how an emergency responder can access this information on your phone without accessing anything else on your phone, go take a peek at my video on how to set up your medical ID. It's really kind of cool. It protects our privacy, but at the same time, it's a phenomenal way to utilize technology when we're in not so great situations. If this video was helpful, I hope you'll be encouraged to share it with a loved one so that they are able to set up their emergency contacts on their iPhone as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.